week, my 16-year-old daughter and I toured NC State. I wanted to take some photos of the tour to show you, but I was prevented because apparently that's a hugely embarrassing thing to do. I can't keep track these days. As you and your teen embark on college tours this spring, I want you to keep a couple things in mind from a career exploration perspective. Make the most of your visit by 1. Visiting the campus buildings for the departments your teen is interested in. 2. Sitting in on a class in the field they're considering. 3. Connecting with a professor if possible. Bonus points if they ask to connect with them on LinkedIn. 4. Talking to students in the major to get the inside scoop. And 5. Asking about possible internships, study abroad, and career fairs for their major. Don't let your teen choose their college based on the sports teams, unless of course they're an athlete, or the number of Starbucks on campus. College is primarily meant to equip students for a career. If your teen has no clue about their career or future plans, it's important for them to get some clarity before they make any college decisions. Avoid expensive mistakes. If your family needs some help with the process, I offer career assessment services and online classes for students. Check out my website, pathwaystoexplore.com, or email me at amanda@pathwaystoexplore.com. I would love to guide your students to career and college success.